Ready to unlock your next PS5 adventure using that American Express gift card? Let's dive in. First, power up your PS5 and head over to the PlayStation Store. You'll find it right there on the home screen. Just navigate to the store using your controller and select it. Once inside the store, look for your avatar icon at the top of the screen. This is where you'll access your account settings. Go ahead and select your avatar. From the drop-down menu, choose Payment Management. This is where you can manage your payment methods and add funds to your PSN wallet. Now, select Add Funds. This will allow you to redeem your American Express gift card. Keep in mind, you'll need to treat the gift card like a regular credit card. Select how much you want to add the maximum amount of your gift card value. Next, enter the gift card details just as you would with a regular credit or debit card. The card number, expiration date, and the CVV code located on the back. Now you can use the PSN wallet. Alternatively, when purchasing a game or service directly, at the checkout screen, you should be able to enter in the same card information when prompted to. If the purchase is more than the gift card has, be sure to add a second payment option to cover the additional costs. That's it. You've successfully used your American Express gift card on your PS5. Happy gaming!